First 3 in the elite category of red. Padyakan sa Bataan. Speed 8. Speed 8. Go for Gold. Archie Duran. And Bade Cesar Lapasa. This is the technical section. Go Bade! Next is Bohol. From Bohol. Go. So, kinuha niya yung left side. Yung iba, right side. Go. Pare mo yun? Si Archie ba ito? Ano ba yung kanina? Go. Push. Ah. And the Philippine team. EJ Flores. Saan kaya kunin niya? Kanan or kaliwa? Okay, kanan. Go EJ! Push! Another rider from Team Speed 8. Right talaga sa kanila. Go Speed 8. March Alinar, also known as Push. Go. Can you hear their breathing? Drin! Habol Drin! Haba pa!